Hey, welcome to the channel. In today's video, what we're going to be looking at is this problem right here. So it's a coin toss simulation where we're supposed to write a program that simulates 10 flips of a coin. So we should generate a random number between 1 and 2. So if the random number is 1, we display head. Otherwise, we display tails. And this is an example or a sample run of what the program is supposed to look like. Let's go ahead and start the coding. So as usual, we start out with our comments. So we use the dollar sign to, well, the dollar symbol. It's not a dollar symbol, pound. And it has a lot of different meaning in. It's a number sign. It has a different meaning in hashtag or whatever. So the author is Fedorae Services Inc. and the date is today, as usual. And our Instagram is Fedorae Services, and our Facebook is just the same. So I copy and paste it. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing out of the way. So the first thing that we want to do in this program is to import a library. So the library that we're going to be using is the random library. So as you can see, all we needed to say was import random. That's all we need to do. Now we're going to be adding some variables. All of these variables are going to be equal to 0. So we need a total, total heads, total tails, and count and the sum of it. So we have our sum, so we're going to add our count. This is equal to 0. Total heads is also equal to 0. Total tails is also equal to 0. As you can see, I'm doing some camel casing. Now we're going to store the title in a variable itself. But I want to show you that you can store it and in a variable and print it out in that manner. So we're going to call it title, and this is equal to my coin flip simulation program. That's a good enough title, and we didn't have any brackets, so don't close any. Alright, so I was going to put a space, but we don't need a space. So what we're going to do is we're just going to print, because this won't show in the program. Neither will these when the program is run. So we're just going to put a space here, and we're going to multiply this by 10 to get it probably in the middle or so. We're going to use a comma. This is supposed to end the line. It's not. I keep saying concatenation. The concatenation I think is a plus here. This is what we used to, I think, to end that line there or whatever. I hope I'm not correct. I'm wrong. If you know more than I do, you can just comment it in the comment section. And I just do. Alright. And that's it. We close our bracket there. Now we're going to make a space here. And we're going to get our random flips here. So we're going to use a for loop. So for flips, this is our new variable, underscore random is equal, well, we're trying to get in the range of 10, so we're saying it's in the range 10 in brackets, and our colon, we're going to have flips underscore random being equal to random dot rand int, and we want it in the range 1 and 2, so it's between 1 and 2. So now we're going to be doing some checks. So we're saying if, so now if the flips are the flips underscore random is equal to 1, then we know that we should be printing out heads. However, so we're just going to say else we're going to print tails. So that there, and we want to know how many times this happens. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be counting. So we're going to add 1 to the count. And if you don't know what this is what I think is called syntactic sugar. It's just a shortcut. It's the same as saying count is equal to count plus 1. But who is really going to write all of that? Well, I just did, but just to show you as an example. So what we're going to do now is we're going to check for the random flips. So to add 1 to it or to minus 1 from it or whatever. So because we need a total, we need something to add to this here, this right here. So what we're going to have here is we're going to say if the flips underscore random is equal to 1, then the total it is going so far right there. The total heads is equal, or we're going to use syntactic sugar again, or shorthand. And else the total tails plus equals 1. Now we're going to check the flips, if the flips are correct and stuff like that. So we're going to say if flips underscore random is equal to 1, what we're going to do is flips underscore random, we're going to add 1 to it. Else what we're going to do is we're going to minus 1 from it. So we're going to say random minus equals 1. That's how we're going to be doing this right here. And we're going to initialize our heads variable to 0 and our tails variable here is also equal to 0. Now we're going to be checking. We're going to be using up our count variable now. So we're going to say if the flips underscore random equal 1, what we're going to be doing is we're going to start counting here. So we're going to count plus equals 1. Else we're going to be doing the opposite. So we're going to say count minus equals 1. Now we can give this some space here, and we can start to print out. You can say print total heads, and we are going to print out a variable that we would have made from before, and we're going to do the same thing here for the tails as well. And this is total tails, this should be it. Uh, I hope that everything is okay. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. Alright, so run, and we're supposed to save, and it's running, and we have a syntax error here. Alright, so I realized that I left out the thing right there, the quotation mark. Let's run this again. Great. So as you can see, it ran, and as you may notice, we have a total heads being equal to 3 and the total tail 7. So let's go ahead and count to see if it's correct. So let's go ahead and count the heads only. So we have 1, 2, 3 heads, and as you can see there, that's 1 and 2. I was taking over the whole thing. But as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3. The rest of it are all tails. So we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see that we got this program to run successfully. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have anything to, if you have any opinions, if you have any questions. Please like, share, and subscribe.